welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're gonna cover one of the lab of the span. So without any delay, let's just start the lab. So just click on the start option and open your lab in the incognito window as we always do, right? And make sure you like the video and subscribe my channel so that I stay motivated. Okay, so just click on I understand option. Okay, so now just click on this, click on agree and continue, and remove the sidebar if you don't want to see it. Now just type pub sub and click on this option. Okay, and from here we have to just create a topic. So just click on this create topic option. Now just remove this. Now for the topic ID, go back to your lab, scroll down a bit and just copy this topic ID, which is my topic. Now click on this, Control V. Okay, and you can see this is the settings we have to do. Okay, just click on this. Okay, and now you have to add a transform and you have to select this Google Manage Encryption key, and for the tags, and just click on create option and wait for it to get created. Okay, and after it has been created, just click on this hide info panel, and from here you have to click on the subscription option and you have to create a subscription. Okay, so just click on this. So now we have to copy the subscription ID. Okay, just click on this check my progress and you will get the success, the green tick. Okay, now for the subscription you have to keep the name as my sub, and here you have to select the topic name as project ID, topic, and here my topic. Okay, so it has been already done, and just click on this pull option and come down and click on this create option. Okay, so as we have successfully created the subscription, you can click on this check my progress option and your lab is completed with this. So make sure that you subscribe my channel to get the easiest solution of all the labs. Meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.